Hello guys, welcome to our channel, Mako Engineering Information. Hope you all are doing well, and today's video is gonna be about Python for machine learning and artificial intelligence in 2023. So let's get right into the video. If you don't subscribe to our channel, please subscribe and share the past videos and new upcoming videos. Let's start. Artificial intelligence with Python. Artificial intelligence has been around for over half a century now, and its advancements are growing at an exponential rate. The demand for AI is at its peak, and if you wish to learn about artificial intelligence, you've landed at the right place. This video on artificial intelligence with Python will help you understand all the concepts of AI with practical implementations in Python. Why is Python best for AI? A lot of people have asked me, which programming language is best for AI, or why Python for AI? Despite being a general-purpose language, Python has made its way into the most complex technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and so on. Why has Python gained so much popularity in all these fields? Here is a list of reasons why Python is the choice of language for every code developer, data scientist, machine learning engineer. Less code. Implementing AI involves tons and tons of algorithms. Thanks to Python's support for predefined packages, we don't have to code algorithms. And to make things easier, Python provides check as a code methodology that reduces the burden of testing the code. Pre-built libraries. Python has hundreds of pre-built libraries to implement various machine learning and deep learning algorithms. So every time you want to run an algorithm on a dataset, all you have to do is install and load the necessary packages with a single command. Examples of pre-built libraries include NumPy, Keras, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and so on. Ease of learning. Python uses a very simple syntax that can be used to implement simple computations like the addition of two strings to complex processes such as building a machine learning model. Platform independent. Python can run on multiple platforms including Windows, macOS, Linux, Unix, and so on. While transferring code from one platform to the other, you can make use of packages such as PyInstaller that will take care of any dependency issues. Massive community support. Python has a huge community of users, which is always helpful when we encounter coding errors. Apart from a huge fan following, Python has multiple communities, groups, and forums where programmers post their errors and help each other. Demand for AI. Since the emergence of AI in the 1950s, we have seen exponential growth in its potential. But if AI has been here for over half a century, why has it suddenly gained so much importance? Why are we talking about artificial intelligence now? The main reasons for the vast popularity of AI are more computing power. Implementing AI requires a lot of computing power since building AI models involve heavy computations and the use of complex neural networks. The invention of GPUs has made this possible. We can finally perform high-level computations and implement complex algorithms. Data generation. Over the past years, we've been generating an immeasurable amount of data. Such data needs to be analyzed and processed by using machine learning algorithms and other AI techniques. More effective algorithms. In the past decade, we've successfully managed to develop state-of-the-art algorithms that involve the implementation of deep neural networks. Broad investment. As tech giants such as Tesla, Netflix, and Facebook started investing in artificial intelligence, it gained more popularity, which led to an increase in the demand for AI-based systems. What is the difference between AI and machine learning and deep learning? Is AI the same as milliliter? Let's break it down. AI vs milliliter vs DL. Artificial intelligence vs machine learning vs deep learning. People tend to think that artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning are the same since they have common applications. For example, Siri is an application of AI, machine learning, and deep learning. So how are these technologies related? Artificial intelligence is the science of getting machines to mimic the behavior of humans. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, AI, that focuses on getting machines to make decisions by feeding them data. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses the concept of neural networks to solve complex problems. To sum it up, AI, machine learning, and deep learning are interconnected fields. Machine learning and deep learning aids artificial intelligence by providing a set of algorithms and neural networks to solve data-driven problems. However, artificial intelligence is not restricted to only machine learning and deep learning. It covers a vast domain of fields including natural language processing, NLP, object detection, computer vision, robotics, expert systems, and so on. Now let's get started with machine learning. Machine learning basics. The term machine learning was first coined by Arthur Samuel in the year 1959. Looking back, that year was probably the most significant in terms of technological advancements. In simple terms, machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence (AI), which provides machines the ability to learn automatically by feeding it tons of data and allowing it to improve through experience. Thus, machine learning is a practice of getting machines to solve problems by gaining the ability to think. What problems can machine learning solve? There are three main categories of problems that can be solved using machine learning. What is regression? In this type of problem, the output is a continuous quantity. For example, if you want to predict the speed of a car given the distance, it is a regression problem. Regression problems can be solved by using supervised learning algorithms like linear regression. What is classification? In this type, the output is a categorical value. Classifying emails into two classes, spam and non-spam, is a classification problem that can be solved by using supervised learning classification algorithms such as support vector machines, naive Bayes, logistic regression, k-nearest neighbor, etc. What is clustering? This type of problem involves assigning the input into two or more clusters based on feature similarity. For example, clustering viewer into similar groups based on their interests, age, geography, etc. can be done by using unsupervised learning algorithms like k-means clustering.